Hey, Noel. I just wanted to start off by saying that it has been such a pleasure to get to read your work, to edit your work, and to get familiar with your unique writing voice these last 7 weeks. So I just wanted to say thank you. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you in this class, and also a real pleasure to see the way that you interact with your writing group and fellow students with such openness and generosity. So thank you so much for that and for all of your participation in class this summer. Um, Now, on to your questions about your poems this week. It absolutely makes sense what you're trying to sell, what you're trying to tell in your first poem. I think it's really funny and interesting, and I love the way that you Franken-poemed not just students in the class, but poets you had studied this semester. So nice work. And then prompt number two, I guess every time a student asks the question, is this poem too short? I want to encourage them to answer it for themselves. Because as the poet, you're really the only one that can answer that question. Um, I see potential about how it could be expanded, how it could be lengthened. But if your intention here is to very succinctly offer the most important details of advice that you want to, then I think that it's just the right length. So I just want to encourage you to, if you feel drawn to expanding this poem, then you should. And if you don't, then you should not. It is as simple as that. Thank you again, Noel, and I look forward to reading your portfolio next week.